Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kane. In today's video I tried the coconut and ginger oil and I'm going to show you the application process. My hair is naturally dry, I'm like all the time, and this method helps save my hair. Our ingredient for today is coconut and fresh ginger. I am going to start by chopping the coconut into chips, as you can see, and blend it all out. I blended this much because I am going to use some to make 100% no heat organic coconut oil. Now, after we have achieved our paste, guys, you need a power blender for this. Now I am going to strain the coconut milk with the cheesecloth, and look at that, guys. So I am going to cover it up with a plastic and leave it in the fridge for 24 hours. It's 24 hours and the coconut butter is separated from the water. So we are going to scoop the butter, as you can see. And I'm doing that gently so that I don't scoop any more water. Alright, guys. So we have enough butter and I'm going to put it in a pan. Okay, so you can use a bowl, pour some hot water in the pan and let it sit in for about 2 to 3 hours. I did this to get rid of the excess water in the butter so that I don't boil it for long. The more water in the butter, the more it has to boil, and I don't want that. Okay, it's time and we are going to scoop the butter. You can see that this time it is thicker, right? The water has separated and I can see that the cream is heavier this time. Right. Now our cream is ready to boil, but hold on. We are going to add our ginger paste.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I am going to grind it manually. Now I'm doing this because my blender for some reason doesn't blend ginger so well. I don't know why. So when preparing it, you can add your ginger to the coconut and blend it all together. Okay, that is way easier. Right, mix the ginger with the butter and light it up on fire. This should take about 20 minutes to be ready. As you can see, the oil is popping up and ooh, now it is ready. So we are going to strain with a metal sieve and leave it to cool down. The flavor is heavenly. Oh my god, take a look at this, guys. Woo! Okay. I love the oil. It just smells so nice. Okay. Now I am going to undo my hair, moisturize it with some water because my hair is dry. And when I say dry, I mean very okay. I got some spray in my ears. I am going to massage the oil on my hair, roots, and most importantly on my ends. Now you can do this between wash days, and with this method you can divide your hair into smaller sections and apply the oil evenly. Make sure every strand gets the application of the oil. Massage it nicely, comb. You can either twist it out or leave it in a baggy method, and I'm going to show you that in a bit. Now coconut oil provides shine, remove dandruff. It also prevents hair loss. Organic coconut oil helps treat scalp problems, repair damage, and also prevents baldness and grayness. Ginger is scientifically proven to promote hair growth, contributes to the health and cleanliness of the scalp. The fatty acid in ginger boosts strength of your hair strands, prevent hair loss, cure irritation, and prevent premature graying, stimulate growth and volume. So I'm going to protect my ends with the baggy method, and the baggy method is applying moisturizer to your ends, cover it up with the plastic and let it sit overnight. Like I said, my ends are very stubborn, so I did this before bedtime, and the next day my hair is looking so soft and beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, it would mean a lot to me. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video.